Okay, today's video is with Don and Sue Burns from North Carolina. It's a 61 Shasta Airflyte. And tell us where you found it, what condition was it in?
Go ahead.
Okay, yeah, found it on Craigslist in Tennessee, and it was literally in a barn for a few years, and before that, we think it was covered in like a camp situation.
Michigan.
In Michigan.
Okay.
And it was pretty
You mean
much,
like a hunting camp, kind
no,
of?
I think it was a recreational camp. It had
Okay.
a number up
18.
in the top of the back. So we're pretty sure it was, something like this where everybody had their own place, but it was clearly covered because it was in really nice condition when we got it.
It's the original paint, and there's a decal on the front that says Al's Trailer Mart, Grand Rapids, Michigan. I called them, and they've been in business since the 50s, and they said, oh yeah, we sold it. They didn't know this model, but I said, we definitely sold it if it has that decal on it. But
And
that's how we know it's original paint.
And it had the wings too, or did you have to
No,
replace
They were
those?
missing.
We had those fabricated.
Yeah, it's one of the wing places
Yeah,
you
the
find
guy that
online.
makes wings for everybody.
Okay.
Yeah,
And we polished all the little covers
Yes.
over the
Yeah,
windows.
it's super shiny.
Yeah, we've done some of that.
I think
We
they call
waxed
those
it.
eyebrows.
Eyebrows. There you
Yeah.
go.
Yeah.
yeah.
So tell me, do you get these things, the old things at like antique stores? Is that where you go to get them?
Yeah.
Garage
Or
sales.
Thrift, Goodwill.
That record player works.
My husband has this great saying. People ask, "Where'd you get that?" And he'll say, "On the side of the road."
But we just did that couch, and it's kind of softer than we thought it would be, but it turned out, love the color. It looks like a grandpa couch with the piping and all that. But it was a fun project to sew. My daughter actually helped some too. We were all pulling and struggling on that to get it to go together.
It looks super cushy.
It is.
It is.
Yeah,
Yeah.
It's a memory foam mattress.
And that looks like the Jetsons.
Yep.
Yeah, has
Yeah.
all that. We put the floor in, and the floor, we cut every tile to 9-inch, and then jacked up all this so that the piping, all the original piping, is around the cabinets. And that was a 4-day project to put in the floor in instead of 12-inch tiles. They came with the 9-inch. She picked the
Wow.
color.
And you
It used to
cut
be
all
10.
those tiles?
Cut every one of them to 9 inches.
Wow.
In here, we did a air conditioner. I'll swing it open, and this is built. Yeah, I'm gonna turn it off. That was a good idea. But this is built in to. I think if I know how to turn it off.
Yeah, it probably takes it a
That takes
second
a
to
second
shut
to go
down.
off. There we
Yeah,
go.
there we go.
And then built that in, and it's vented so it works properly. Built that in, and it's got USB ports. We got a little.
Oh, look at this.
Yeah, it's a little
So
messy.
you
in
have
there,
like
but
a
not too-
hidden kitchen.
Hidden kitchen stuff, yep. And then refrigerator, we have the original refrigerator, but we replaced it with this one, put a couple things on it to make it look old, and painted it brown to match the stove. But Sue did all these curtains. Oh yeah, let me show you.
Yeah, I like the fabric on
Thank
the
you.
curtains.
Yeah.
They're lined and they have.
I was looking for something fun in 60s.
Is it from Spoonflower?
No, actually, it's a Michael Miller fabric. The dining room and the kitchen area and the bedroom are all coordinating fabrics, so it made it easier to make sure they actually matched.
Did you have to buy them online?
I bought? Yes, I think I did get them on.
The fabric?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
I really like it.
And they're
Yeah, I
the
I
original
like this.
seats.
Is that a
And they're
CD
no
player?
tears. Yeah, it's a little CD
Yeah.
player, USB kind of.
Yep.
That's cool.
Bluetooth. But these seats are original. No tears. We are going to make new ones, and then we'll just store these in the attic because they're originals. They're springs, metal springs. And all
Okay.
that. But they make into a bed.
Okay, and
Well,
here's
anyhow.
all your kitchen stuff.
Yeah.
I just love seeing everybody's accessories.
Yeah, they're a lot of fun.
And that's some jadeite. Is that jadeite?
I'm not sure.
Is it like ceramic or
Dallas
plastic?
ware.
Oh, it's
Yeah.
plastic. It's Dallas
Yeah.
ware. Okay. It looks
Yeah.
like
Yeah,
jadeite.
melamine, I think.
Yeah. We like the color. We
Really
have a little
nice.
set
I
of
like the
that.
cute little window.
We have smart lights in here, and they can go from the blue to the one in the corner you see is amber, and they can go really dim. They're all run by my phone, or really bright, but different colors, so you can give the mood of a brighter thing or actually like a candle light.
That's
kind
a
of-
first. I have
Yeah.
not seen that in a camper
There you go.
before.
There you
Yeah.
go.
Yeah.
So tell me about the picnic wear and
So
golf
the
clubs.
the golf clubs were my dad's, and I'm thinking that my grandfather gave them to him. So they're in the family since the 60s. The tablecloth was my grandmother's. She did the stitch work on that. So I
Cross
thought I'd bring
stitch.
that. Yep.
Yeah, that's cross stitch.
It's really fun to pull that out of my cedar chest and bring it along. And the name of our trailer is Christine, and it's a 61 just like me. So my husband wanted to name it after me. The name's on the back of it, actually.
Okay, let's go to the
What's our
back.
middle name?
Christine, I wouldn't let him name it Susan, but Christine's my middle name. It's up there. And so we named it Christine, and my maiden name is Bliss, so we put Miss Bliss at the end of it.
Could I do that?
She made the awnings. She made the matching awning for the back window.
And all the curtains.
Yeah,
and
and then
stuff.
we found that little
Cooler.
and a couple things there, and it's
We were just collecting stuff.
yeah. It's
That's the fun part.
Yeah.
Yeah.
and
it
we
is.
just have a fun time. Such nice people, and they all
Yeah.
are in this similar
Yeah.
projects. And, we learn a lot from them.
It's a lot of fun.
Yes.
All right, and some people might say, what is the dog's name?
Oh, this is Rolls Royce. He's new to our family. We had a Shih Tzu who passed away in January. We'd had for 15 years. He's 2
Hey,
years
baby.
old, and he's learning to love camping.
He's a
That's
Shih Tzu
good.
and a Havanese mix, and her brother is going on to missions and called up and said, I have a 2-year-old dog. We know yours passed away. Would you like it? And he gave it to us.
Oh,
And
that's
we've-
sweet.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So he's fitting in pretty good.
He's
to the
fitting in
camp
pretty
life.
good. Yeah.
All right, guys, thanks for showing your camper.
Well, thank
Thank
you.
you.
And
It
have a
was
good
fun.
time. Happy camping.
All
And we'll
right,
see
you
you at
too.
supper.
See you
Okay,
on the road.
All right, bye.
Bye-bye.
All right, everybody. That's today's video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. And make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Just give you a little bit more view of this camper.
Well, we've had that trouble.
And here we go.
Yeah, so since out.
All right, bye, everybody. See you next video.